Question number 1. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? A. Article 14 to 18. B. Article 19 to 22. C. Article 23 to 24. D. Article 25 to 28. Correct answer is A. Article 14 to 18. Next, Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes which practice? A. Untouchability. B. Child labor. C. Sati. D. Begar. Correct answer is A. Untouchability. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the freedom of speech and expression? A. Article 14. B. Article 19. C. Article 21. D. Article 25. Correct answer is B. Article 19. Next, what does Article 32 of the Indian Constitution provide for? A. Right to constitutional remedies. B. Right to freedom of religion. C. Right to life and personal liberty. D. Right to equality. Correct answer is A. Right to constitutional remedies. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? A. Article 12 to 35. B. Article 36 to 51. C. Article 52 to 78. D. Article 79 to 122. Correct answer is B. Article 36 to 51. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution defines the President's powers? A. Article 52. B. Article 61. C. Article 72. D. Article 79. Correct answer is A. Article 52. Next, what does Article 360 of the Constitution deal with? A. National emergency. B. State emergency. C. Financial emergency. D. Fundamental rights. Correct answer is C. Financial emergency. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the formation of a finance commission? A. Article 280. B. Article 315. C. Article 324. D. Article 338. Correct answer is A. Article 280. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the amendment of the Constitution? A. Article 368. B. Article 370. C. Article 356. D. Article 352. Correct answer is A. Article 368. Next, Article 21 of the Indian Constitution is related to A. Right to education. B. Right to property. C. Protection of life and personal liberty. D. Right to equality. Correct answer is C. Protection of life and personal liberty. Next, which article allows the President to declare a national emergency? A. Article 352. B. Article 356. C. Article 360. D. Article 368. Correct answer is A. Article 352. Next, what does Article 312 of the Indian Constitution relate to? A. All India services. B. Official language. C. Emergency provisions. D. Fundamental rights. Correct answer is A. All India services. Next, which article empowers the High Court to issue writs? A. Article 136. B. Article 226. C. Article 227. D. Article 323. Correct answer is B. Article 226. Next, which article deals with the Uniform Civil Code for the citizens? A. Article 42. B. Article 44. C. Article 46. D. Article 48. Correct answer is B. Article 44. Next, fundamental duties are enshrined in A. Article 19. B. Article 32. C. Article 51A. D. Article 45. The correct answer is C. Article 51A. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution mentions promotion of international peace and security? A. Article 39. B. Article 51. C. Article 50. D. Article 49. The correct answer is B. Article 51. Next, which article provides special provisions for the state of Nagaland? A. Article 371A. B. Article 370. C. Article 371. D. Article 368. The correct answer is A. Article 371A. Next, the procedure for the impeachment of the President is provided in A. Article 61. B. Article 74. C. Article 80. D. Article 123. The correct answer is A. Article 61. Next, which article gives the definition of the state? A. Article 12. B. Article 14. C. Article 36. D. Article 50. The correct answer is A. Article 12. Next, which article lays down the composition of the Rajya Sabha? A. Article 79. B. Article 80. C. Article 81. D. Article 83. The correct answer is B. Article 80. Next, Article 19 guarantees which of the following freedoms? A. Freedom of speech and expression. B. Freedom to assemble peacefully. C. Freedom to form associations. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Next, Article 110 of the Indian Constitution is related to A. Money Bill. B. Budget. C. Consolidated Fund. D. Finance Commission. The correct answer is A. Money Bill. Next, the President of India takes oath under which article? A. Article 52. B. Article 60. C. Article 74. D. Article 80. Correct answer is B. Article 60. Next, which article allows the Parliament to make laws on state list during emergency? A. Article 249. B. Article 250. C. Article 251. D. Article 253. The correct answer is B. Article 250. Next, Article 243 deals with A. Panchayats. B. Municipalities. C. Cooperative societies. D. Scheduled tribes. The correct answer is A. Panchayats. Next, which article is associated with the Special Leave Petition (SLP) to Supreme Court? A. Article 136. B. Article 141. C. Article 142. D. Article 145. The correct answer is A. Article 136. Next, Article 164 deals with A. Oath of Governor. B. Appointment of Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. C. Powers of Chief Minister. D. Removal of Governor. The correct answer is B. Appointment of Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. Next, which article empowers the President to grant pardons? A. Article 72. B. Article 74. C. Article 75. D. Article 76. The correct answer is A. Article 72. Next, which article relates to the Election Commission of India? A. Article 320. B. Article 324. C. Article 326. D. Article 330. Correct answer is B. Article 324. Next, which among the following articles of Indian Constitution gives right to the Attorney General of India to speak in Houses of Parliament or their committee? A. Article 76. B. Article 86. C. Article 96. D. Article 106. The correct answer is A. Article 76. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to hit like and please do subscribe the channel for more current affairs and general knowledge.